Moving offices? The tech is where small mistakes become costly disasters, leading to downtime and data loss. What if laying a PC on its side during a move, which seems smart, could be causing permanent, hidden damage? That one professional tip is just the beginning. Their methods prevent damage you might not spot for weeks. This is a systematic approach to protect your data, your expensive hardware, and your business's uptime. We will guide you through 3 vital stages: digital prep, physical protection, and post-move validation. Before anyone unplugs a single cable, where do the pros begin? With a complete inventory of every device. Next is the ultimate safety net, a full data backup, and you must store it separately from the hardware. This 10-second action saves hours of headaches. Take a clear picture of the back of every computer setup. Finally, label every single cable with specifics. CEO Monitor 1 DisplayPort. Use colored tape for speed. With prep complete, we turn to physical protection. If you have them, always use the original manufacturer's boxes. But what happens if you don't have the original boxes? This is where a widely misunderstood material is needed. You need protection from more than just bumps. You must guard against invisible damage from static electricity. A tiny static shock you can't even feel carries enough voltage to fry microscopic circuits on a motherboard or RAM. The second enemy is movement inside the box. Any empty space allows items to shift, build momentum, and cause impact damage. Now, back to that upright PC rule. Heavy components like the graphics card are mounted perpendicular to the motherboard. Laying the case flat turns every bump on the road into a powerful lever, stressing and potentially cracking the board. These rules cover standard gear, but what about high-value exceptions? Let's examine a gaming PC and a server. For that expensive gaming rig, the graphics card is its heaviest and most valuable part. How do you protect it? The professional-grade move is to carefully remove the graphics card and pack it separately in its own anti-static bag. For a server, the planning is on another level. You must assess power, cooling, and network needs at the new site. Professionals minimize business interruption by scheduling these moves during off hours, aiming for zero downtime. You have mastered the physical side, but 2 invisible threats can still derail the entire operation. Moving from a warm room to a cold truck and back again creates condensation. Moisture can form inside your devices. Powering on a device with internal moisture can cause a catastrophic short circuit. The solution is simple: patience. Pros enforce a strict 24-hour rule. Let all electronics acclimate to room temperature before plugging them in. A move is also a moment of extreme security vulnerability. Devices are offline and physically exposed. Professionals counter this by encrypting sensitive data before the move and running integrity checks after setup. You've prepared, packed, and protected your equipment. How does this all guarantee a successful launch? Remember the inventory, photos, and detailed labels from the start? This is their payoff: a calm, systematic reassembly. For that high-end PC, the final step is reinstalling the graphics card you packed separately, completing its zero-risk trip. The job isn't done when the power is on. It's done after testing network connectivity, data access, and applications. A successful IT move is not a series of tips. It's a complete system where prep and protection eliminate risk. Consider the relocation a rare chance to optimize. It is the perfect moment to upgrade aging infrastructure. From knowing why a PC stays upright to managing condensation risks, you now have the professional framework. The goal is to transform a high-risk event into a predictable, controlled process, protecting your most valuable assets. For a few machines, you can handle this. For an entire office, hiring specialized IT movers is the safest choice.